In this video I will talk about Scott's Miracle Gro, and spoiler, I bought the stock just now because I researched it and it looks really nice. Plus it mostly techs and biotechs in my portfolio. That is why I think a little bit diversification it is definitely what I need. As they have core brands, it is a Miracle Gro, Scott's, Tomcat, Ortho, plus some new like Gavita, Lightning, and Healthrone cannabis related things. Here you can see financial outlook, revised non-GAAP adjusted EPS outlook of at least $8. Not much, but I think they are lowering it a little bit. 5-year CAGR 15%, and here you can see how Healthrone segment I think slowed down a little bit, but total company sales absolutely in good shape. Plus you can see that for fiscal year 2021 Healthrone profit only 17.6%, and I think it is not really important, but very important on a long run. They have free cash flow, and it is awesome. Long-term opportunities are significant throughout SMG as demographic and social trends favor our portfolio. Industry-leading brands, unrevealed innovation, very nice supply chain, and in-store execution. Here you can see that lawn care it is 33% of sales, and then you have growing media and mulch. In the next quarters, I think everything related to growing will be like a hot chocolate in a cold day, but that is why I actually bought SMG. They prognose some consumer shifting to millennials, and millennials are going to buy homes in the next several years. And now, as you can see, only 50% of the group are homeowners, and definitely we have some opportunity to grow. Plus they like these brands. Everyone shifting to e-commerce, and ship-to-home sales up 88%. I think it is awesome. Plus they have some research centers, and they are making really nice products. The cannabis market provides opportunities in new and existing channels, like this Gavita Lightning, some filters, and other stuff to grow some marijuana. On this chart you can see how actually they're growing. They just acquire other companies, and I think it is absolutely normal practice. Roughly 75% of Americans live in states where cannabis use is legal, in some form, with significant growth still on the horizon. And I really like this prediction chart for adult use, and they predict 55 million in 2031. It is quite unrealistic from my point of view. Spoiler, it is like maybe from 2 to 10 times cheaper to grow cannabis, and it is quite easy because you can make close to full automatic everything. Products that serve all market segments, investing for long-term growth and success, unmatched technical expertise. And actually here you can see a Healthrone 360, holistic room design, airflow mapping, odor mitigation, integrated lighting plans, vertical raking, rebate service. And you can see that nutrition's only 21%. And it is good because this segment inflation will be quite high, but maybe they will survive it. I really like how it looks on Guru Focus. You can see this Guru Focus value, and we can see 2019, then 2020, and now. it's like 3 times to buy it. Future revenue growth rate super low, only 1%, but I think it is only for next 2 or 3 years. From the other side, this company quite normal profit margin, close to 10%. They're paying dividends with payout ratio only 32%, and price to earning now 13, price to sales 1. Again, I think we have this really nice time to buy the stock times, and from my point of view, downside not big, maybe 25%. My model not really good for this stock because you can see these spikes by quarters, and it is not really good, but anyway we can see average price to sales 2.5, and now they have the same number, but if we will adjust it a little bit, we will get maybe a price to sales close to 1, and I think we can draw this line. You can just pause and try to replicate it. And if I will copy it, I can make something like this, and I think it is a lower loss for this stock. As a resume, I think it is not a bad idea to buy the stock, because it is a diversification, second they are growing, it is interesting segment, and I really like to grow a little bit, but not marijuana.